Hey guys, let's see how to fix Safari app is blocked on your iPhone. So for that, whatever the reason, guys, maybe some other app, maybe some another app blocked to your Safari app. So let's see, guys, how to fix. So first, guys, try to check whether the Safari app is open or not. So for that, you can just see there is no Safari app. Currently it's open on my iPhone. So right, so guys, just tap on settings and now just try to find Safari app. So you can you can just see here, just tap on it, and now guys, just try to come down and just try to find clear history and website data. Just tap on it, and now guys, you can see is the red mark, clear history and data. Just go for tap on it, guys, and you can just tap on close tab. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.